This is Stacey, Head of Youth Services at the Goffstown Public Library. One of our most popular books in our nonfiction section is this Animal Battles. Kids love reading about which animal would win between, and this one's the horned lizard and the diamondback rattlesnake. Now, maybe your child is not interested in animals or science reptiles, but maybe they want to know a battle instead between sports figures. This is new in our nonfiction section right now. So we have the All-Star Smackdown. Right now we have Patrick Mahomes versus Peyton Manning, who would win. And then we also have a new one of the New England Patriots versus the Miami Dolphins. So I would come in if you have some sports fans at home, and I would actually love to hear after they read it what they think about the All-Star Smackdown.
Hello, my name is Jen Wyman, Adult Services Librarian, and I'd like to highlight a few of our gardening books this week. So spring is here, and if you are outside, we have the Ultimate Flower Gardener's Guide, or if you would like to have something edible, we have edible houseplants, or if you just like guidance on what to do next, we have Gardening Through the Year, and so many more. So please come and check out our gardening section. It's on the second floor. The call number is 635. And if you need any help, just ask us and we'd love to help you. And we'd also like to show you our seed library. So if you need seeds or books or just a listening ear, come on by.
Hi, I'm Caroline Kenny. I'm the Assistant Director and Head of Adult Service and Outreach, and I'm here today to talk about our seed library. We are busy updating our seeds for the year, but I wanted to highlight that we have a bunch of seeds that came from your community members, seeds that were grown in Goffstown, and were brought back to us and some of them are seeds that they got from us. So come take a look in the basket. We also have a bunch of rhubarb seeds as well.
Thanks for watching. Stay in the know. You can subscribe to the library's monthly email newsletters at goffstownlibrary.com/subscribe, and you can unsubscribe at any time.